This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Thinking about starting your own home renovation business? It's a fantastic industry with huge potential, but where do you even begin? Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide to launch your own successful renovation company. From getting your first client to scaling your team, we'll cover everything. Let's get started. First, what exactly is a home renovation business? It's a company that offers services to improve, repair, or update existing homes. This could be anything from a fresh coat of paint or new tiling to a complete kitchen or bathroom overhaul. Remember, renovation means upgrading or repairing what's already there, while remodeling involves changing the actual structure. Now for step 1, self-assessment and skill building. Before you dive in, you need to be honest about your skills. Do you have a solid foundation in construction trades like carpentry, plumbing, or electrical basics? Can you plan a project from start to finish, estimate costs accurately, and communicate effectively with clients? These are non-negotiable. If you're feeling a bit green, a great tip is to work for an established renovation company or as a subcontractor first. You'll gain invaluable hands-on experience, build a professional network, and start earning a reputation before you even print your first business card. Step 2 is all about market research. You need to become an expert on your local renovation market. Start by analyzing your competition. Who are the big players in your area? What services do they offer, and what are their prices like? Next, understand customer demand. Are homeowners in your town looking for high-end kitchen remodels, budget-friendly basement finishing, or eco-friendly upgrades? Your goal is to find a gap in the market. Maybe nobody is specializing in smart home integrations or historic home restorations. Create a list of your top 5 competitors and identify one thing you can offer that they don't. This unique selling proposition will be your secret weapon. Once you have your idea, it's time for step 3, drafting a comprehensive business plan. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Think of this as your roadmap to success. Your plan should include an executive summary explaining what your business does and who it serves. It needs your market research, detailing your target customers and competitor analysis. A crucial section is your financial plan. What are your startup costs? How will you price your services? What are your revenue forecasts for the first few years? Also, include a marketing strategy detailing how you'll attract clients, and finally, set clear goals and milestones. When do you want to break even, land your first 10 clients, or hire your first employee? Writing it all down makes it real. Next up, step 4, choosing your business structure. This is a critical legal decision. You could operate as a sole proprietorship, which is the simplest to set up but offers no personal liability protection. A much more common and recommended choice is an LLC, or limited liability company. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business debts, meaning if your business gets into financial trouble, your personal savings, home, and car are protected. This peace of mind is invaluable. For larger operations planning to seek investors, a corporation might be the best fit. Once you choose your structure, you'll need to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS for tax purposes. Step 5 is all about legal compliance. You need to register your business name and register for taxes with local and state authorities. A vital move is to open a separate business bank account. Never mix your personal and business finances. It's a bookkeeping nightmare and can pierce the liability protection of your LLC. Now, let's talk licenses and permits. These requirements vary drastically by location, so you must check your local and state laws. You'll likely need a general contractor's license. And if you plan to offer specialized services like plumbing or electrical work yourself, you'll need specialty licenses for those. Don't forget, most significant projects will require specific permits. Always do your homework here before you start any work. Moving on to step 6, and this one is not optional: insurance. Insurance is your financial safety net. A single lawsuit or accident on a job site could bankrupt your business before it even gets going. You'll need general liability insurance to cover property damage or injuries. If you plan to hire employees, workers' compensation is mandatory. Also, consider tools and equipment insurance to protect your valuable gear, and commercial auto insurance for your work vehicle. Don't even think about skipping this step. Step 7 is organizing your business operations. You need systems to keep everything running smoothly. First, tools and equipment. A starter set can cost anywhere from $10,000 to over $25,000, depending on the services you offer. You'll need a reliable vehicle like a truck or van to transport your tools and materials. In the beginning, your office can be a corner of your home, but make sure you have a proper filing system and the right software. Digital tools are your best friend here. Project management software like Builder-Trend, accounting software like QuickBooks, and scheduling apps will help you stay organized, professional, and profitable. Now for the fun part, Step 8, defining your services and branding. What will you specialize in? General renovations? Kitchen and bathroom remodels? Maybe you want to focus on a niche like flooring and cabinetry or eco-friendly upgrades. Once you know what you're offering, it's time to build your brand. Get a professional logo and business cards designed. Create a website that showcases your work with stunning before and after photos. Your brand should be consistent across all platforms, from your website to your social media profiles on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. That brings us to Step 9, marketing and promotion. You can be the best renovator in the world, but if no one knows you exist, you won't have any clients. Use a mix of strategies. Build a strong online presence with a Google business profile and a search engine optimized website. Post high-quality photos and videos of your projects on social media. Consider running targeted local ads on Google or Facebook to reach homeowners in your area. But don't forget the power of offline marketing. Networking is huge. Build relationships with real estate agents, interior designers, and suppliers. They can become a fantastic source of referrals. Step 10 is pricing, bidding, and estimating. This is where many new businesses fail. You must price your work accurately to be profitable. Your price should cover your labor, all materials, and their delivery, your business overhead like insurance and software, and finally, your profit margin, which should ideally be between 15 and 25%. Using reliable estimating software or a detailed spreadsheet can prevent the common mistake of underpricing your work, which will quickly kill your profits. With a signed contract in hand, it's time for Step 11, project execution and customer experience. This is where you shine. Always provide a clear, written contract. Set realistic timelines and communicate regularly with your clients, giving them updates on progress. Strictly follow all safety protocols and permit requirements. Your goal is to deliver exceptional work and a stress-free experience. A happy client is your most powerful marketing tool. They'll leave you glowing reviews and refer you to their friends and family. As your business grows, you'll hit Step 12, hiring staff or subcontractors. You can't do it all yourself forever. Start by building a network of skilled and reliable subcontractors for specialized tasks. When you're ready to hire employees, train them not just in their trade but also in your standards for customer service and safety. Always ensure anyone working for you is properly insured and compliant with labor laws. A strong team is the foundation of a scalable and profitable company. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover some common mistakes to avoid. Don't underestimate your startup costs. A quick summary: tools can be $10,000 to $25,000, insurance and licensing can be $1,000 to $5,000, a vehicle might be $5,000 to $20,000, and initial marketing another $1,000 to $5,000. Don't skip insurance or licenses. Don't let poor project management create chaos. Don't have a weak pricing strategy that leaves no room for profit. And never, ever ignore customer service. So here's my final advice: start small. Focus on delivering high-quality work and building a 5-star reputation. Provide dependable, friendly service on every single job. As you earn, reinvest profits back into your business for better tools, marketing, and growth. By following these steps, you can build a sustainable, reputable, and highly profitable home renovation business that you can be proud of. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips.